Using the teaching materials. The iTILT website has a collection of teaching materials that can be downloaded to use in class or for training purposes. You can find these materials by clicking on the blue button at the bottom right-hand side of the web page. This takes you to the introductory page for these resources. The materials here are available in 6 languages, although not all the resources are available in every language. There are files to use on interactive whiteboards and PDF files to be downloaded. The interactive whiteboard files that you choose to download will depend on the type of IWB that you're using, either Promethean Active Inspire flipcharts or Smart Notebook files. We're going to take a look at some teaching materials for vocabulary. If we first of all download the PDF file, we will be able to see this document, which gives us a brief overview of the flipchart materials and a page-by-page pictorial image of the materials that we'll find inside the flipchart. We can now go to the Promethean IWB flipchart files, for example, and download them. Once we've downloaded the flipchart files, we can open them in Active Inspire. And here we can see the title page of this flipchart about vocabulary. The second page of the flipchart gives us the task overview. The following pages of the flipchart all appear with 4 tabs at the top of the page. The tabs are Activity, Aim, Design and Potential. The Activity tab describes the task. The Aim tab explains what is being taught. The Design tab gives us details about how the flipchart was created, and the Potential tab suggests ways to exploit the flipchart. If we look at this activity about seasons, we can see that the activity is to drag objects to the correct season. The aim is to name the objects and to categorize them. The Design tab explains how the images were selected and uploaded. And finally, we can identify the potential of the flipchart to support and enhance the learning process. If we want to adapt the flipchart in any way, then we can. These teaching materials show some ways in which the IWB can be used very effectively in the language classroom, and may also be useful for teachers as a template for other lessons that they will design themselves.